Are you tired of digging through Zoho Books menus just to get a simple sales report? Learn how to export a profit and loss report in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the fastest path. Open Zoho Books, go to Reports, then Favorites, and run a business overview report. Then we'll customize and export it. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then click on the Reports tab on the left sidebar. Now, go ahead and click on Favorites to see your most used reports. From there, select Business Overview to get a high-level summary. Next, click on Profit and Loss to open that specific report. Now, select the desired date range for your report. For example, you can click on This Month to quickly set it. Then, choose your preferred accounting method. For instance, click on Cash if that's what you need. Once that's done, click on Run Report to generate the data. Now, click on the Export button to see your options. Select Export to Zoho Sheet to send it to a spreadsheet. Finally, click Export again to confirm and download the file. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.